Can you just let us know why Montreal is the right place to start a tech company?
So my name is Brandon Reddy. I'm the VP Product at Breather, and I've lived in this city all of my life. And what I've noticed is that there is such a wide array of talent in this city.
Hi there, my name is Jake Housden, and I'm part of the Ooh La La mobile team here in Montreal. I'm a sales director here, work on bringing together partnerships with the institutions that we work with. And Montreal, just an awesome place to be. Great community for startups because of the people. Awesome people. I wasn't originally from here, but I moved here after our company sort of raised money and went to Founder Fuel. And yeah, it's definitely home now. And I think everyone just feeds off of each other. It's a creative city.
Bonjour, moi je suis Andréane de chez Bon Look. Je suis la coordonnatrice aux communications. Bon Look, on vend des lunettes en ligne, $129, prescription. Livré chez vous. Je trouve que Montréal, c'est une bonne place pour une start-up parce qu'on a de la place pour la créativité et une ouverture d'esprit incroyable.
My name is Mikkel. I'm the founder and CEO of Crew. And I think Montreal is a great place to start a company because the mix of people that are here, the culture, the access to art.
Je suis à la tête de l'équipe de design à Montréal chez Shopify. Et Montréal est une bonne place pour partir une nouvelle entreprise en technologie, donc une start-up pour plusieurs raisons. Premièrement, parce qu'on a un énorme background, on a un bel historique avec l'industrie des jeux vidéo.